Hey everybody, it's DC Sun. I am about to do an unboxing of Predator 2. I know you're wondering, what does he mean by that? You're about to find out. Alright, I'm here with my good friend Kevin. Say hi, Kevin.
What's up, guys?
And we are about to do the unboxing of the Predator 2. And for those who don't know, the Predator 2 is by Sideshow and CoolProps. Here, and it looks like this in the box. And I'm finally getting around to unboxing it. So let's see what we can see. Got that one?
Yep.
Dun, 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 dun.
So, good thing to note, this is life-sized.
Yeah, life-size prop for Predator 2. There's logo and voila! There is the cranium. Dude, seriously, that's massive.
That is huge.
All right, so here it is out of the box. Kevin Sama is nice enough to hold this for me so I can get better close-up of the details on this bust. It's amazing. And for those, just to give you some perspective, Kevin is not short. He's actually quite tall.
About
And well built.
187 centimeters tall.
And this actually makes him look really small.
Very few things do that.
Like you know he's like 7 feet tall and stuff, but when you see it
you
up
you
close,
don't think
it's
about
like,
it until you see
oh my
it.
goodness. And for opposite perspective, right?